Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is jump ship. Jump ship means to leave a job, project, or group suddenly, especially when things are difficult or uncertain. Someone will jump ship. Jump means to leave quickly. Ship represents a job, a team, or a situation. When someone jumps ship, they quit or abandon something before it is finished, often because they believe it's failing or they see a better opportunity. It is commonly used in business, sports, or personal situations when someone leaves unexpectedly. Here are some example sentences for you guys. When the company started losing money, several employees decided to jump ship and look for new jobs. The football team was losing badly, so the coach jumped ship and joined another team. We were in the middle of a group project, but one team member jumped ship and left us to finish everything. So don't jump ship on your English learning. Give it a try. Use this phrase in any kind of context, really. You can jump ship on doing yard work because it's too hard. You can jump ship on washing dishes if you don't want to. Give it a try and join us on our channel. We love your company. Bye, guys.